My name is Pia Baral and I am the recently appointed Chief Executive Officer of ACE Aotearoa. It's been a great opportunity to start this role coming into our Hui Fono this year here in Rotorua. Hui Fono is a very important event, partly because it's the only opportunity for our Pacific and Māori educators to come together and have a very specific space for everyone to have a professional development opportunity. I've been to one Hui Fono, and that was in Christchurch, and I remember that being one of our first Hui Fonos. For me, it was an amazing learning experience. Being an immigrant, Filipino immigrant, who have lived in New Zealand for over 30 years, I think for me it was an amazing learning experience to understand how our Pacific and Māori educators can be supported by ACE Aotearoa, and I learned a lot from that experience, and I'm coming back here again today, pretty much doing the same thing. After having lived in Australia for 15 years, I'm coming back and relearning some of the things I haven't been able to practice in many years. The adult and community education sector and ACE Aotearoa is in a prime position to really think about strategically where we could head to in the next 3 to 5 years. I'm looking forward to working with the board to set that strategy and to even talk to TEC about what are some of the other opportunities that we can maybe be funded and really reach out to the sector about finding out where does ACE sit in our overall work here in Aotearoa. My message for our ACE providers, whether they sit within the TEC funding or outside that, is that adult and community education plays a very important role in our society in Aotearoa. Whether you're doing large programs or small programs, everything we do contributes towards social cohesion, mental health and well-being, and our economic progress as a community. If we can strengthen that as a sector, then I think that kind of positions us as a really critical part of our society. What I'm really excited about in the years to come is building on the work that's been done by the previous directors. The work that I'm going to be doing with the board and with the team is something that I'm really looking forward to doing this year.